How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE power input assembly. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, a wire cutter, and a new zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud, then remove the shroud from the chair. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws and washers that secure ground wires to the power input assembly. Note the ground wire secured to the middle metal bracket is a self-contained part of the power input assembly, so there is no need to remove that screw. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the power input assembly to the chair. Use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the red and black power input wiring to the chair, then disconnect the power input connector from the power PCB. You can now remove the assembly from the chair. To install the new assembly, place the 2 mounting tabs into position on top of the mounting posts, then connect the connector to the power PCB. Next, install a new zip tie through the zip tie mounting tab on the chair. Then secure the red and black power input wiring and the green ground wire that runs to the main PCB. Cut the excess zip tie. Now, replace the 3 screws to secure the assembly to the chair. To secure each ground wire, place the ground wire loop onto a screw followed by a washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the assembly. Note the tabs on the front of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then lower the tabs on the rear edge of the shroud into corresponding slots on the rear of the chair. Next, replace the 2 screws to secure the rear shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.